If you've ever thought about sending someone a unique digital gift, you might have come across digibouquet.com, a platform claiming to let users create and send digital bouquets to friends or loved ones, offering a modern twist on the traditional gesture of flowers. At first glance, the idea seems appealing, a quick, creative way to show someone you care without the hassle of physical delivery. But when we looked closer, a few things stood out. The website itself is extremely new, registered only in February 2026, which naturally raises questions about its track record and reliability. digibouquet.com also appears to have almost no social media presence. We couldn't find any official or active profiles to verify their engagement with customers, which makes it harder to gauge whether other users have had positive experiences. In addition, the platform uses a donation-style messaging approach, but the business details remain vague, leaving uncertainty about who's actually behind the service and how transactions are handled. Contact information is also limited. There's no clear email address, support form, or other way to reach the team, which could be concerning if issues arise after sending a bouquet. Despite these gaps, the platform does function as described. Users can select digital flowers, customize messages, and send them instantly, so it technically fulfills its basic promise. However, the combination of a very new domain, limited transparency, and lack of verifiable social proof makes it difficult to fully trust the platform. While it may work for casual experimentation or small gestures, anyone looking to send gifts reliably or on a larger scale might want to proceed with caution. In summary, digibouquet.com delivers the concept of digital bouquets but leaves many unanswered questions about credibility, customer support, and long-term reliability, making it a platform to explore carefully rather than fully rely on.